Hit it, boy. Hit it.
I got slung.
Back up, back up, back up.
Hey, Cody, what happened, bud?
I don't really know.
Yeah. Got a little hung up.
Yep.
That's what happens when you get high centered, bottomed out. That's why ground clearance is king.
It's all swampy over here.
What the hell's he listening to? Jesus Christ.
Grab the cable out.
Stop. I really wish you didn't have this stupid ass music on here. There you go. There you go, bud. A little winch action. Oh, I didn't hook it right. Look at that. Woo! There you go. Good job, bud. Give me a thumbs up. Damn. Hold on, Mike.
Hold on, Mike. Don't fuck that down.
Easy. I'm surprised that little hole's that bad. You want to hit it again? He wants to hit it again. All right.
Hold on, I'm back.
God damn, thorn bushes. Olive trees, everything tearing me up. Let me get back. Get that other freaking tire to spin. Another wheel just won't spin, man. Hell yeah. There's the fuck, I'm on his way. There you go. There you go, baby. Let's go. There you go, Mike. Let's go, baby. Oh, damn it. We done made a hole there, bud. Are you in full wheel? I done did it again. Your front wheels weren't spinning. Or you broke the axles, one or the other. Or differential. Them big ass tires. Hold on, man.
I ain't got nothing to on.
We're gonna turn that into a damn hole, bud. Look how deep that thing is. Damn.
Hey, my radio is all right.
Yeah.
There you go.
Hold on, this is my cover folder right here.
16-inch wheels with 33-inch tires, and it just swallows it.
God.
Just a little creek. Looks are deceiving.
33.
All right. Old Cameron.
That's my baby.
Yeah. You in a bit of a bind there, bud. Bit of a bind.
That's how you fucking do it.
Razor climbing.
That's how you fucking do it.
Razor climbing. That's cool. I climbed up on his tire, just messing around.
What would y'all do without me?
There you go. There you go.
Look at that.
That was cool as shit. That was fun. Yep. Heating up some coals, getting ready to cook up some bologna. Find us a little spot. We'll take it easy. Yep.
Cook some chicken.
Cook some chicken. We're gonna do it up. Things got a little crazy. Got the Can-Am. Don't even look muddy, thanks to SC1. Get you some of that. Polaris.
Oh yeah, I gotta get an SC1 sticker made.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna have them sponsor me. Of course, not looking like that, I ain't.
Oh my god. Now try that one.
Sorrow.
Hey,
Go! Woo!
Oh God.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't.
Oh my god! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! All right.
Oh my god.
Oh fuck! Oh my god! Oh Al, hey Al, your turn.
Oh my god.
I got you, bro. I got you.
Do it.
Come on.
Do it.
Come on.
That's what we're going
Come on,
down.
Al.
300 pounds.
I don't give a fuck. I got you. Come on.
Mom, shut up.
Let's do this. Come on.
That's safe.
I tried to get him on.
Yeah, buddy. Got the bologna cooking. We're gonna eat good.
Yeah, Red Rider, this is the
How thick that is?
Psycho Billy Cadillac. Come on.
That's awesome.
This is the Cottonmouth, the negatory on the cost of this motion.
Got that.
There, Red Rider.
Got all the fixings.
Factor and picked it up. It's cheaper that way.
Oh,
What model is it?
Oh, we have a blast. We have a blast. Oh, what's going on over here? We've been riding. It's more of a party in the woods than riding.
Oh my god.
Let's fade out. Fade out with us.
oh.
Razor flexing. That tree kind of giving it away there. It's a little squirrely back here in the woods. When the world's going to shit, we back in the woods. Ain't we, Chew?
That's right.
Ain't we? Woo! Ace puts in work. Got him stuck again. Look at that boy lift. Big tires. Bottoms out every time. Nice little hole. Yeah.
All right, now in.
Kids are learning. Learning experience.
That's a bad run.
Yeah, it is.
Stop, reverse.
Best way to learn is to screw up.
Do a little bit of gas. Now do gas
Bumblebee
and
coming through,
in.
man.
Is
At the
it?
same time.
Oh, Bumblebee, yeah. The Bumblebee.
Already missed the trail, James. He's trying to follow you.
Same time. All right. All right. Reverse. There you go, go. Reverse.
Cody, hold.
All right, out.
Oh, shit.
All right, now give a little bit of
I wasn't paying attention to the camera there for a second.
out at the same time, baby.
Teaching these kids how to do it.
Out,
Gotta let them do it.
Out, stop, out, reverse, out, reverse, stop, out, hey.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh. Good job, kids. Good job. Teach him young. Teach him young. Hey, Chris, teach him young, bud.
That's right.